Chapter 5. The Quest for the Lost Harmony. In the tranquil valleys of Coloria, a new challenge emerged, threatening the harmony of the land. It was rumored that the Melody Stones, enchanted gems that held the essence of Coloria's harmony, had been scattered across the realm, disrupting the balance of colors and sound. Determined to restore harmony to Coloria, Pinkie and the color monsters set out on a quest to find the lost Melody Stones. Their journey took them through lush forests, sparkling rivers, and towering mountains, each step filled with the promise of adventure. Their first stop was the Whispering Woods, where ancient trees whispered secrets of the past. Here they encountered the Melody Birds, mystical creatures whose songs held clues to the whereabouts of the Melody Stones. With their melodious tunes guiding the way, the color monsters ventured deeper into the woods. Next, they journeyed to the crystal caves, where shimmering crystals illuminated the underground chambers. Here they faced puzzles and challenges, testing their wits and teamwork. But with determination and cooperation, they uncovered the first of the lost Melody Stones. Their quest then led them to the Rainbow Falls, where cascading waters danced in brilliant hues. Here they encountered the Harmony Spirits, ethereal beings who guarded the remaining Melody Stones. To prove their worthiness, the color monsters had to demonstrate their understanding of harmony and unity. With each Melody Stone they found, the colors of Coloria grew brighter and the melodies more vibrant. But their journey was far from over, as they still had to face the final challenge, the Harmony Temple, the place where the forces of light and darkness clashed. At the Harmony Temple, they confronted the Shadow Symphony, a dark entity seeking to disrupt Coloria's harmony forever. In a dramatic showdown, Pinkie and the color monsters combined their powers, using the magic of the Melody Stones to drive away the darkness and restore peace to Coloria once and for all. As the last echoes of the Shadow Symphony faded away, Coloria was bathed in a brilliant glow, the colors and melodies blending harmoniously once again. Pinkie and the color monsters stood triumphantly, their bonds stronger than ever, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead in their colorful world. Join us in the next chapter as Pinkie and the color monsters embark on new adventures and continue to spread joy and harmony throughout Coloria.